This is it, guys.
Take a taste there.
Hear the crunch?
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. I wanted them. Bang, bang, boom.
Yes, guys, we are here again with yet another cooking video, and you can tell what we're doing. Maybe not, but tell them, King.
Alright, guys, so today we are doing a banana
Festival.
and these are all the ingredients.
Yes.
Give them a closer look there.
So we have our overripe banana, and we've ensured that, we beat this so that we don't have any banana lumps. We have our flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Right, guys? So drop it down below in the comment section and let us know if you've ever heard about this, if you've ever had this, and what are some of the things that you want to see us do, different and out of the box.
Yeah, guys, so right now, we just go. See, we have the banana beat already. So we're going to just add the flour to the banana mixture.
Yes, guys.
Everything. Now we're going to add the cornmeal. Now we're going to add some
Sugar.
And right now we're going to add the cinnamon,
Baking powder, and salt. Everything.
Use a slight whisk.
Yes, guys, ensure that everything is evenly distributed. And guys, you want to whisk this or mix this in so that you know the amount of liquid that you're going to use, so you don't get it soft and saggy, because remember, it's festival we're making, not fritters.
Yeah, guys, and remember, you're gonna want icy cold water or icy cold milk, whichever way you prefer. But you can use either water or milk. So now I'm gonna get my hand all up in this.
Yes, guys, and if you wear nails, you can have somebody assist you.
But before I get my hand up in it, I'm gonna add a little vanilla. Maybe, not even maybe, 2 tablespoons. And remember, make sure your hands are clean and your nails are short.
And clean as well.
And as you can see, guys, you don't need much water because the banana
has moisture as well, guys, and that is a liquid as it is moisture, right? So as I said before, do this before you know the amount of water you're going to need, if you're going to need any, by the way.
And if you're gonna need water, maybe it's about 2 tablespoons or none at all.
Because look how it's coming together nicely, and we haven't added any water to the mixture.
Only liquid I add to the mixture, guys, was the vanilla. So
yes.
Right now we're not adding no water. I'm going to catch a drip, so I go make this rest in the fridge for 15 minutes, and then we get on with the frying soon forward.
Yes, guys, it's that time. Pot is nice like how we want it. So now we're going to add our festival, or banana festival.
And remember to lay away, guys, to prevent splashing or burn.
Yes, guys, and as you know, these are banana festivals. So if you know how you fry banana fritters, you know that it is going to get brown quickly. It's not that it's burnt, but that's how banana is, the color that banana gives.
If you want to see us do a banana fritters, guys, you can comment it down below.
Yes, I don't know why the lighting keeps getting off, but yes, guys, so leave it down in the comment section and let us know, and tell us what you would pair this banana festival with. Let us know, right?
Guys, try this, you will love it.
Yes,
Something
guys.
you'll enjoy. You won't be making banana fritters anymore if you make this festival.
You mean you will love this, guys?
And you can press flat because the baking powder in the flour will automatically increase in size. So if you roll this and just put it in, oh gosh, you have to ask what you're going to have.
Yes, guys. So now we're going to give them a turn.
And always remember the one you put in first.
Burn. You hear all that rhyme? Give them a turn because we don't want anything burn. Yes, guys. See, that's what I'm talking about.
Look at that.
Nice and golden, right? Beautiful. Alright, guys. So we're going to allow these to fry until nice and golden. So we sew forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys. It's that time. Removal time. And we're going to place this on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Yes, guys. These are lovely. And if you have a kid that doesn't like banana, just try this trick and tell us how it goes, right?
Give this a turn. Catch a little more color. Now we're going to add in the others.
Yes, guys.
And remember, guys, all who never catch it, you roll the festival and you press flat. Then
In you go. One final roll. Press in. And guys, you might not roll festival like this, but roll it how you know how to roll
it.
it.
Make it in a dumpling form, that's acceptable as well. It's how you like it.
But I think this way, it is evenly cooked through and it doesn't take much oil. Right?
If you want to do it like this,
yes,
feel free.
Have that way. You can be creative. You can do it in knots, whatever you want. So guys, we're just going to remove these two that we have there. And then we're going to catch you back when all is well. And we'll finish up with the frying. So forward. Yes, guys. So this is how we are looking. We have the original festivals. We have the nuts. And we have the fried dumpling style. So this is it, guys.
Take a taste there.
Hear the crunch?
Someone
want to taste some?
Yes, nice.
Yes, guys, I'm going to have a taste. Honest opinion only, right?
Oh, that's so nice. Nowhere else.
The banana flavor is evident, and that helps with a sweetness to the festival and a newness to it, and it's just different and unique. So we are the king.
We're there. I'm going to do the right thing. My mouth full of food right now. Then all the talk. But until next time, bang, bang, boom.
We're